I was sitting with my family the other night and we happened to come across Shark Tank India, where a bunch of budding entrepreneurs pitch their businesses to experienced investors in order to raise funds. The entire family got into this discussion that how the current generation is more willing to create jobs for itself rather than seeking from others. My mother pointed out that the recent wave of startups and the vigor of entrepreneurship was unlike anything she had ever seen. That got me thinking that my parents' generation would never have actually thought of making Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune their dream cities. As it turns out, there are more than enough reports on the internet to prove that India is now the startup capital of the world. It is here that my dad stepped in and said that the union budget can further fuel the spirit of entrepreneurship in India. Dad's words forced me to dive deep into the internet. I found that there are a lot of expectations that the startup ecosystems have from this budget, from a healthy investment climate to the setting up of incubators in each state and a capital push to spruce up the infrastructure. Most important expectation being the incentivization of technology. Many of these are likely to find place in the coming budget. This would be a real boost for Indian entrepreneurship after the last year's budget provided an extension for capital gains and tax holidays for the startups. It is also to be noted that India has produced 44 unicorns in the last year itself, the third most in the world, while many of them lack a certain revenue base. But with suitable policy initiatives, the union budget can help these unicorns grow. Not only the entire startup ecosystem of the country, even I would be keeping an eye on the union budget. Who knows, one day even I can have a brilliant idea to take to the Shark Tank. This would make my parents immensely happy, not because of watching me on TV, but because even they are convinced that the entrepreneurship is a better way to earn living, as one gets to help others too in the process. That's by offering the jobs to many. If it holds for me, it does for you too. Maybe the budget ignites the entrepreneurship spirit in you. After all, who wouldn't like to be his or her own boss? So the budget can make you a boss too. समस्या का समाधान budget पर दो ध्यान. For the complete analysis of the union budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.